जय हिंद, जय भारत। क्या हुआ, जोश खत्म हो गया?
जय हिंद।
अभी तो स्टार्ट हुआ है यार, जस्ट G20 summit here just started, yeah. So, जय हिंद। Yes, that's it. I'm extremely thrilled to have these three dignitaries here in front of my eyes. I'm yet to, I'm just searching myself whether they are here or not. It's a dream come true in my life. My students, my teachers, when G.D. Baxi was speaking, have you noticed his eyes? How many of you have noticed his eyes? Eyes were speaking each and every sentence, every word he was saying, the eyes were telling that. Yes or no?
Yes.
His body, every cells of his blood was talking about India, about how we earn ourselves. And that is what actually you need to learn in your life. He has not made any written statement and reading there. No, he was talking from the heart. Yeah. And I am here with him from last 2 days. My God, such a humble, simple, grounded person with such a high stature. That is what I have learned from him today. No matter where you reach, but you should be grounded. Because there we all are going to be once. Yeah? So Major Sir, I am ever grateful to you. And you have promised me that more and more you will come to me and in Siliguri, will inspire Siliguri. And yesterday's event, it was wonderful event. Why we have kept that event yesterday? Because we have so many students, teachers here, our council members, commissioners, ministers, and so on. I have never heard all these words in our lifetime. This is happening now, right? The world is changing, things are changing, but this is not changing. मेरा भारत महान, right? मेजर सर, मैं आपको मेजर जनरल सर, क्योंकि सर आप ऐसे हैं कि आप साथ कुछ भी भूल त्रुटि हो जाए तो आप सबको माफ करेंगे। आप जैसा किरदार अगर इंडिया में और 10-20 आ जाए तो ये 2047 भारत विकसित देखने की जरूरत नहीं है, 2035 में हम देख लेंगे, 2027 में। I am so grateful to you sir and ma'am together. I am really grateful to you. आप इनका इतना ख्याल रखते हैं, ये हमारे लिए सबसे जरूरत की चीज़ है। Thank you so much. I will not say Deepak Boraji, I will now say he is my friend. My fatherly figure, everything. Because if you see us, how we are talking, you will see that we are friends from years, or we know each other from years. Just a month back we met for the first time. And from the heart I am saying that as if he has adopted me as his son. Such a great person, so much of knowledge, and again grounded to the earth. इनको मैंने बोला सर फ्लाइट की टिकट में बिजनेस क्लास नहीं हो रही है, कोई परवाह नहीं, हम भारत के वीर हैं, हम जहाँ से जाएंगे वहीं बैठ जाएंगे। इतनी हम्बलनेस, इतनी सिंप्लिसिटी कहाँ आएगी, कहाँ मिलेगी? आज हम एक स्टूडेंट को एसी नहीं चलता है तो हमको आगे कंप्लेन करते हैं सर एसी नहीं चल रहा है। टीचर 10 मिनट क्लास में लेट आते हैं तो टीचर को पूछते हैं सर यू आर 10 मिनट्स लेट। Every time we keep on complaining ourselves and for others. But these veterans, I will not say veterans, they are all young actually. they don't see anybody's conditions. जिस कंडीशन में भी हम हैं, हम मुस्कुरा रहे हैं, हम भारत के लिए रो रहे हैं, भारत के लिए मर रहे हैं, भारत के लिए जी रहे हैं. That is the only funda in their life. अपने बच्चों को छोड़ के कहाँ कहाँ दौड़ते रहते हैं, कहाँ कहाँ भागते हैं. Sir, both of you, I am really salute to you, sir, from the core of my heart, and I tell you, Sri Sri Academy promise you that from every children passing on from here, at least 10% will go to the NDA. That is our promise to you.
बाकी मेरे पास भेज दीजिए.
Yes, sir. बाकी आपके पास आएंगे डिप्लोमेट बनेंगे सर. And as he said, I was talking in the. I'll just share one small incident. I was in airport with sir last time. I said I'm not going to come back. He said yes. You are evolved, sir. You will not come back. But he said I have asked God that I'll come back again and again and serve India because I love India. That's his promise. And you know, when he walk, when he dance, you must remember his age. That's not a factor. His enthusiasm. You must learn that. Enthusiasm. So just don't go by the words only. See their action, how they walk, how they talk, how they live their life. That is enough for you. That one thing is enough for you. If you just take one thing, his enthusiasm, that is also, you will take your life long away. And ma'am is so humble, she is also attached to some schools. And such a great woman. I must admire you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for these two lovely ladies here. I am really grateful to all of you. And with me, Colonel Babu Shankar, no words for you, sir. I can say anything to him any given point of time and any time. Have you heard his speech? He saw that we are running behind the time, right? And how he managed, he so quickly, and he saved 20 minutes for us. That is what he is talking about, the time management. So, my gentlemen, my students, teachers, I must say that if you want to take away something from here, take one quality of them from here. That means 3 quality. It will lead your life to the next level. I am really grateful to all of you. Subbu sir, such a humble person, lot of knowledge, and still sitting like a student here. I am really grateful to you, sir, for coming all the way and bringing Bakshi sir in my life. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, everyone, all the G20 Summit people, my principal sir, and all my teachers, students. I am really humble and very grateful to all of you for putting up a great show here. Thank you so much.